Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing a cordless hair clippers from Atmoko. I'm excited, let's get to it. All right, so let me go ahead and start opening this up. Quite well packaged. There we go. Ah, there it is. A little bit of comedy for you guys, huh? Well packaged, I'll tell you that much. Very well packaged. Let's see what we have. There we go. Finally got it out. So let's see what we got inside. We got the instructions. I'm gonna look into that because I want to give you guys a proper review. This must be okay. So we have a storage pouch. Give that a try. It charges via USB. So if you have a USB brick or computer, you can plug it in. Okay, charge. Oh, look what it does. It actually comes with some scissors. Very nice. Very professional indeed. Very nice. It has a comb. We have a little brush. This is to clean the blades. We have multicolored, different size clippers. I'm gonna look into those. Let's lay it like that. Oh yeah. They got more colors here. And lastly, this must be the clipper itself. Ooh, that's so nice. It says here, oil blades before use. So I'm assuming there's some kind of oil packet somewhere. I'll figure this out. Let me remove the little protector. It has a little plastic clip, plastic film. Gotta remove that. Ooh, it's got multi settings and it clicks and stays in position. That's the smallest one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I've seen these before, but they don't have that clipping action. That is quite cool. I like it. All right, let's go ahead and remove. There's a sticker here on the power button. Hey, and it's fully charged as well. Hey, it came charged from the factory. You know, when it's off, you think there's nothing there. It's until you turn it on that you see the lights. I don't know, I thought that was kind of cool. Nice. All right, let me see if we can find the oil. Got it. Oh, okay. Let me go get the oil. All right. Got myself a little bit of WD-40. It's not gonna need a whole lot. I completely doubt it. There we go. Nah, much better. We're ready! All right, so I wanted to look at these clips. Let me see. So, this appears to be the number 1. Oops. Number 1. It's number 2. Very nice. And it goes consecutive into bigger colors, into different colors and bigger sizes. Now, I allow myself to go without, grooming the entire way, so I am a little bit bushy. I don't think I will be using the bigger clips. However, I am going to be using the number 1, number 2. Most likely the number 1 into the highest setting. So I can actually take care of my beard. I also want to actually clean this part right here as well. And maybe the head. Let's get to it. Let's go to the bathroom. Alrighty, right. So now I have the clippers with me. I have the number 1 clipper. My plan is I'm going to trim this out a little bit on my eyebrows because I tend to have some big caterpillars on my eyebrows. It came with this. Talk about professionalism. I just realized that. A little apron. Check it out. Check it out. I want you guys to see this. Look, a professional barber now. Huh? Look at me. Huh? What you talking about? What you talking about? I'm a professional. Huh? I mean, I'm not gonna necessarily use this one, as a trim. But yes, for comedic addition to the video. All right, time to get serious. Let me go ahead and get started. So here is the plan. Again, like I mentioned, I'm gonna go ahead and put the number 1 clip. I'm gonna put it on number 4 setting because I want to trim. I'm gonna fast forward this a little bit, guys, so you don't get too bored. I gotta say, I'm no barber, but that came out all right. And you know, I gotta be honest with you. I want to give you guys a quick comparison. Check this out. This thing is very lightweight, very easy to use, because I do have one that I have for years. Look at this one. The difference is just astounding. Lighter, more compact, easier to handle. This thing is bulky as heck. Unbelievable. I am very much surprised with this thing. I like it. So now, let's do my head real quick. Might as well do the entire thing. I'll be darned. I was able to groom myself entirely face-wise with this little machine. That is quite astounding. Very, very good. Well, guys, this will conclude this video. I actually hope you guys found the video informative, kind of funny. I hope. I think I'm funny. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. Sorry for the starting. Later.